2, 3. What's going on, Sea Friends? Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe.
Of course.
And click on the bell to get notified every time we post a new video.
Oh, Marcelo's back there. Say hi, Marcelo.
Marcelo, can you say hi?
Yes. Oh, my boy.
Okay, so today we're on our way. We have a lot of things to do.
Yeah, so first of all, we're on our way to Walmart to pick up a watermelon because we're super excited about this challenge that we've been dying to do for a long time.
We've been wanting to do this stupid this funny challenge. You see it.
But before that, we want to say thank you to everybody for the 200,000 followers on our TikTok.
Yes, thank you so much for following our craziness. Sorry. Thank you so much for following.
Thank you so much to everybody for following all of our craziness and all of our crazy videos that we always post. The superstar right here of TikTok.
Gracias a toda la gente que habla español solamente. Gracias por seguirnos en TikTok, en YouTube, en Instagram. Los adoro.
Muchísimas gracias.
Son los mejores.
Well, anyways, let's go and pick up this crazy watermelon.
Yes, we have to choose a good one.
Check out Marcelo's outfit. Ooh, baby shark. Huh? Look at you.
He chose his outfit.
He what?
He chose his outfit.
Like that hat.
Marcelo, hazle así. Así.
Thumbs up. Ah! Literally just came in and look what's right in the entrance. So
right.
let's find the biggest one. Hey Marcelo. What's up, puppy?
I think this one.
Okay.
Marcelo, you approve? Yeah? ¿Cómo se llama esto? What is this?
Say watermelon.
Okay. Now rubber bird.
What?
Rubber band.
What? Rubber bird?
Rubber bird.
No prefiere decirlo en español, baby. Huh? Porque rubber bird is not a word.
Roberto bands. I don't know cómo se dice en español.
How do you say rubber bands in Spanish?
Roberto en español.
No. ¿Cómo se dice eso?
Cinta. No.
No. ¿Cómo se dice rubber bands?
Comment below. Help us.
¿Cómo se dice rubber bands? Coño, ahora se me quedó ahora en la mente.
Yep.
I can't say it. Let me tell you guys something. Have you ever just come to pick up one thing and then you end up buying something else? It always happens. Right, babe?
I don't know. I don't know what you're talking about.
It always happens. We try to buy one watermelon, we end up buying more things. ¿Qué pasó,
I
papi?
need this too. I always need something.
You know how she gets me? She says, we need it. Oh my God. We got two babies now.
Marcelo, everybody asking me if I'm gonna have another kid. Here you go, Marcelo. You have a brother. Can you give a hug? Aww.
How many rubber bands do you think we need to blow up that watermelon? If we can find them. We can't find them.
Oh, great.
Oh, we passed it. Wait up. We're coming back. All right.
Okay.
How many do we need?
I don't know. This one doesn't say. Estos son los. They're like mixed with the little ones and the hard ones.
Okay, so get those.
We have to get this.
Yep.
So 67 cents. Let's just take about 10.
Yeah. I think we're gonna have to fill it up. Cógelas todas. Keep going. Just in case.
That's it?
We're gonna have rubber bands for like the freaking year.
Rubber band. Rubber band.
Do you need anything else? Because you always gotta buy something.
No, I'm looking.
No, we don't need nothing else.
For the water. Porque ayer metió el de Mickey Mouse.
No Mickey Mouse? See, I told you. we come for a freaking watermelon and rubber bands, and we end up buying toys for Marcelo, hats for Marcelo, and then a shark for Marcelo. I know we're super happy for the 200K, so.
Tengo la personalidad. Tengo la personalidad. La tengo. La tengo.
Ahora, yo estoy durmiendo y yo escucho ese sonido in the back of my head la noche entera. tengo la personalidad. Oh my God.
Y hago con ella lo que gracias a la Chiqui Bombón, que fue la que creó. Thank you to Chiqui Bombón, who was the creator of this amazing sound.
Alright, let's go.
He's repeating now everything we said, so we gotta be careful.
Yeah, we can't curse around him. Alright guys, so we're gonna go back home. About to do this challenge with all of you. Babe,
What?
what are you doing? Look at this.
I'm getting my points, man. What? Oh my God, they don't know?
Explain to the Cifrans, what is it that you're doing?
Okay, so basically when I go to the store, any store, Walmart, Publix, Sam's, whatever, even Amazon, I scan my receipts and I receive points for every, look, I just got 25 points for every receipt that I scan. Sometimes I get more points, like 1,000, 500, whatever. And the best part of this is I get rewards. So currently I have 45,000 points. Once I reach 50 points, I can redeem for any gift.
50,000 points.
50,000 points. I can redeem for any gift card. So I'm on my way to redeem this one right here, the Amazon gift card for $50.
What?
So link will be on the description. If you want to download the app, use my code so you get points.
Hell yeah!
And this is called Fetch Rewards.
Fetch Rewards?
Oh, let me show you how the app looks like. Fetch didn't pay me anything for this.
Hey, Fetch, you better start paying us, alright?
Look, so this is the app. Can you see it there? Can they see it?
Let me see.
Can they see it?
Yeah, there you go.
Okay, Fetch. But use my code so you can get 2,000 points. Nobody wanted this 4 receipt, so I grabbed it. So I'm about to get another 25 points.
So every single time that you have a receipt, just go ahead and scan it. Just scan it real quick, get points.
It works for like fast food too.
Any receipt.
Ross, Marshall, anything.
Any receipt.
Yep.
Okay. So there you go. All right, guys. So we're back in the house, and we have the watermelon. Baby, you're in the middle.
I'm sorry.
We have the watermelon, about 1,000 rubber bands. We actually going live on TikTok as well while we're recording with you guys.
En los comentarios anoten
How many?
¿Cómo se dice rubber band en español?
Oh, sí. ¿Cómo se dice? No, esto no va a servir así.
Bueno, anda, busca vos ahora algo. Yo me quedo acá. Para la gente que está en TikTok mirando esto, les invito a que se suscriban al canal de YouTube. Yo no sé por qué hacemos estas cosas. I don't know why we do this. We have so much time in our hands. We really don't, but vamos a ver si mi inteligencia, mi IQ funciona.
Seguimos.
Seguimos. Sí. Paramos.
Oh man.
No.
By the way, for this YouTube video, we're actually filming live TikTok as well. So.
Yes. Ligas.
Una liga.
Una liga, yes. Thank you.
¿Quién dijo?
Estamos desde las 10 de la mañana pensando cómo se dice. Y no fuimos capaces de buscar en Google.
Una lija.
No es lija.
Una liga. Comment below how many rubber bands do you think it takes to blow up the watermelon? Ay, Dios mío.
Ay, Dios mío, qué rico, Dios mío. Cuando yo veo que esto se está moviendo funny, I'm out. When I see this like being, I'm out. Every Thursday we do a
live giveaway.
A live giveaway en YouTube. Todos los jueves damos un live. Todos los jueves hacemos un live en YouTube y hacemos sorteo, damos gift cards, cash, giveaway. So go subscribe to our channel, the Cifre family.
Everybody keeps saying it's dangerous.
Sí, me da miedo.
So on our TikTok we're live right now and everybody keeps commenting saying that this is extremely dangerous.
We're gonna move
We're gonna do it.
Dice que nos pongamos una máscara, ¿verdad?
She's got a mask on.
Let's go. I'm ready. What do you have?
My paintball mask.
Oh my god.
I am losing grip that I know. Turning the wall.
Oh, está a punto. Come on, come on.
Burning my soul, taking control. I am losing grip that I know. You're turning me on. You're turning me on.
Here.
Taking control. I am losing grip that I know. Turning me on.
Woo! Oh my god, mira. Okay. You're too loud.
Wow!
Our neighbor.
What? Over 1,000.
We forgot to count.
Oh my
my God.
god! You must have stayed. I got so scared.
I can't believe this happened. Oh my god.
Oh wow!
Yeah. Sí, vi, claro que vi. Oh my god, you guys have fun. Did you guys
Hey,
have
babe.
fun?
There's a lot of cleaning to do.
Okay. Huh? Our neighbor is watching us, look.
Hey,
Allá está
let's
el neighbor.
enjoy.
Espera. Allá está el vecino mirando. VIP.
Oh wow, that was that was unbelievable.
I don't know what
So
we did this.
we were live on TikTok at the same time. Yeah, we're
Hey,
doing this.
guys. Show the.
Yeah, let me show you guys the damage.
Miren, esto está rico.
We got watermelon everywhere.
Wow. Even inside the house, look, Rock is eating. No, he cannot eat a watermelon.
Go take it off of him, please. Oh my god.
Hey, just in time. Yo por suerte entré a meter mi computadora porque si no se iba a dañar.
Well, let me say bye to everybody. We hope you guys enjoyed this. And on to the next one. Bye.